Did you know that the built environment accounts for 40% of the UK's carbon footprint, and much of this is for energy used for hot water and space heating? Recent research shows that up to 86% of the energy we use at home is used for hot water, for cooking, cleaning, bathing, and laundry, and for space heating, and much of this energy dissipates down the drain. Just by simply switching on the tap, all the energy that has gone into producing and heating the hot water has simply flown down the drain. One of the technologies I'm looking into in households and in leisure centers is wastewater heat recovery, which involves harvesting heat from wastewater that would otherwise dissipate and recycling it to heat incoming cold water or to be used for space heating. Leisure centers must consider water management as a core component of their energy management policies and practices. Simple and low-cost interventions are available with quick paybacks that can be used immediately to significantly reduce energy use, emissions, and cost for centers. Reducing water use, particularly hot water use, can offer a lot of reductions in emissions and costs for everyone.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.